Karnataka government will soon enact a law that bans religious conversions for the sake of marriages. This is coming from what the State Minister CT Ravi has tweeted out, saying that severe punishment will be imposed against those who are involved in this act. Our correspondent Srija is getting us further details. Srija, the last that we heard on this issue, of course, was from the UP government. And now a similar such indication coming in from Karnataka as well. But on ground, are there really a considerable number of such cases where conversions are happening only to get married?
Well, that's right, Seher. In fact, clearly a breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Remember, just after the BJP-ruled states, Uttar Pradesh and also Haryana, where they did hint at bringing in a legislation, especially to do with the religious conversions for the sake of marriage. Just today, this is on Tuesday, where CT Ravi, the Karnataka tourism minister, he categorically mentioned, and also he took to Twitter to say that, yes, Karnataka will soon be enacting a law. And yes, of course, you did point to the fact that whether we have considerable cases as far as love jihad is concerned. Yes, Karnataka in the last 1 year has seen several cases, especially in the coastal region of Karnataka, to talk about Udupi regions and also Dakshin Kannada regions, where we understand it has led to several communal tensions. And remember, over the last 1 year, there have been several talks about whether or not to bring in legislation. Now, this is just because on the lines of where Allahabad Court did talk about where any sort of conversions, religious conversions for the sake of marriage is illegal, where Karnataka government is also now planning to bring in such legislation. But whereas where we see Ashwat Narayan, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, he had another different version to talk about. Instead of legislation, let's look at in a very social interpretations in that manner to curb such love jihad cases, which is in fact coming up or reporting in the state of Karnataka. Back to you.
Srija, thank you for getting us those inputs.